In spite of her sniffle, Isabel's cheerful. Some girls with a sniffle would be weepy and tiffle. They would look awful, like a rained-on waffle. But Isabel's cheerful, in spite of her sniffle. Her nose is more red, with a cold in her head. But then, to be sure, her eyes are bluer. Some girls with a snuffle, their tempers are awful. But when Isabel's snivelly, she's snivelly civilly. And when she's snuffly, she's perfectly lovely.